Bakit ganun po? Mag 4 months na yon sa kakilala ko. Napapagod na po siya mag-follow up kasi wala pong malinaw na sagot yung agency kung bakit matagal ang release. Last year pa, tapos ang clearance, and sila pa ang galit pag nag-follow up ka. Buti pa private sector may dole. Pag government, wala man lang malapitan kasi kakampihan pa din sila ng CSC. Interesting question po from our viewer concerning sa terminal leave pay niya na hindi pa na-release. And may attitude problem yata yung HR or admin officer. Masungit daw at galit pa kung mag-follow up siya. Alright? I will answer your question po in a direct, concise, and with example. So may research tayo kung saan po ireklamo ang HR na ito or admin officer. Let's get started. Saan ba ireklamo ang HR or admin officer na may attitude problem o masungit o galit pa if mag-follow up ang employee? Answer, apart from Civil Service Commission, pwede po ireklamo ang mga government officer, government employee na abusado, may attitude problem, masungit sa Office of the Ombudsman. Opo, Office of the Ombudsman ay government office din ito and ang powers and functions niya and duties are the following. Ito po. Number one, investigate and prosecute on its own or on complaint by any person, any act or omission of public officer or employee, office or agency when such act or omission appears to be illegal, unjust, improper, or inefficient. So pasok po ito si admin officer or HR na inefficient po. Pwede yan siya ireklamo, no? I-complain po ninyo, ma'am or sir, sa Office of the Ombudsman. Kasi government employee siya. So, very clear po ang number one. So, government employee po yung i-complain nyo and may inefficient po siya na ginawa. Hindi siya efficient sa work niya as admin officer. Hindi binigyan ng action ang concern ninyo regarding sa terminal leave pay. Bakit matagal? Wala siyang clear na sagot sa tanong nyo. Pinaasa ka lang niya, right? Number two, to perform and expedite any act or duty required by law or to stop, prevent, and correct any abuse or impropriety in the performance of duties. Yes, ma'am or sir. Yung performance ni admin officer or HR is pasok siya sa abuse, no, or neglect of duty sa performance niya as admin officer. Hindi maganda yung ginawa niya sa employee na nag-follow up lang sa terminal leave pay niya. Dapat hindi siya magalit. Instead, tulungan ka niya. Magbigay siya ng timeline kung kailan ma-release ang benefit niya. Baka meron siyang negligence or neglect of duty, right? So number three, direct the officer concerned to take appropriate action against a public officer or employee at fault or who neglect to perform an act or discharge a duty required by law and recommend his removal, suspension, demotion, fine, censure or prosecution and ensure compliance herewith. Ayan po. Once na ma-prove guilty tayo na may neglect of duty, may kapabayaan, may attitude problem, yung HR tsaka admin officer, yan po ang mangyari sa inyo, sir or ma'am. Pwede ka matanggal, masuspend for 6 months, walang sweldo, demotion, fine, opo, with the help of Office of the Ombudsman. Kung may complaint lang po sa iyo, pwede yan aksyonan ng Office of the Ombudsman. Alright? So hope na nasagot ko yung question nyo, ma'am or sir. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.